Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Daratus. I'm the founder of a growing system called Torpedopot, where all you do is put your seeds in and it grows your food for you. Those who have been following me, you'll see that I put about 3,000 seeds in these planters right here. 300 seeds in each planter. And they're growing carrots. And it's doing a great job. Excuse me. They look absolutely beautiful. Now, I grow these as from seeds. So I get 300 of these in one planter. I mean, dude, that's awesome. So let's pull some more out. The reason why I'm out here today is because I've been so negligent. I got carrots growing. I used them earlier for microgreens. I'm still using them for microgreens because they're still very young and tender. I love it when they're young and tender. The nutrition they provide is amazing. The tops provide just as much nutrition as the bottoms. Don't be deceived. Nutrition all the way through. And so I'm going to pick the rest of these because I've already harvested a lot already as microgreens, and I let them grow a little bit bigger as they are right now so they can become a half decent sized carrot. And the Torpedopot grows it all for me, and I'll let the remaining stay in there so we can grow a lot of carrots, bigger carrots later on. So we're gonna thin them out. So bear with me for a minute. I think I've already thinned this one out, but I think at this stage, whatever I can get, I'm going to do it anyhow. There are different growth stages, and so they're planted at different densities. And so I'm just trying to go back in and thin these out so we can have a lot more carrots. Not only that, but I want something great to eat. These are Torpedopots, guys. All you do is put your seeds in these planters and put your plants in the planters. And I put about 300 seeds in this one planter, 1,000 seeds overall. And they grow your food for you. You don't have to do anything. So I'm coming right now, and like I said, I picked from these two. The ones down, ooh, look at that, that's beautiful. They grow as tall as you want them to grow. You control your fruit now. You don't have to do what you see other people do. All right, so these are the wooded areas that I haven't picked yet. And look, man, they look great. Don't they look great? See, I let them grow a little bit taller. These are Torpedopots. All I did was drop my seeds in these Torpedopots. I never watered. It has a feeding system built into the planter that feeds my plants for me. And this is what I get in return. It's amazing. Yeah, not only do I want something to eat, but it's about time for me to start putting these carrots away. So consider this my harvest. It is a really great, great, great harvest. And these are big. Oh my gosh. They're huge. Okay, this is what I have so far. Like I said, I'm thinning them out because I have so many carrots. Guys, these are Torpedopots. All I did was put my seeds in these planters and they grow my food for me. I don't need to grow my food anymore. So I harvest multiple times during this growth cycle. First one I had microgreens. Now I'm gonna have some more microgreens to eat. And I think I better stop right now. I think I have enough to carry me. I wanna thin it out though because I need to store some of this because I have so much of it. Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful. What I want to do now is that, guys, these are my torpedo pots and they grow my carrots for me. And they do it so successfully. What I'm going to do now, and I don't really want them in a plastic bag because it'll dehydrate them pretty quickly. But I want to be out in the open. I want to see what's going on with these. And they are beautiful, guys. Beautiful. And so let me go harvest the rest of them. Now what I wanted to show you is the predator. See, when you're in front of your plants like this, you can see the caterpillars and things that are on your plants trying to eat it. And I found one. Let me bring them over to you. Okay. This little sucker right here will eat you out of house and home. And when it turns into a butterfly, it lays lots of these little worms. And they're so beautiful. Nice green, black color. And they're very vicious when you touch them. They pop themselves out on back. But I get to see this early in the ball game. And I want him to have as much fun as he wants over there. See how you get to see the caterpillars when you harvest? So you realize that they won't eat your food, but again, you're removing them from the process, okay? I'm glad he's eating, but I don't want him eating over here. These are torpedo pots, guys. These are self-growing planters. It allows you to see the predators that are eating your plants. You get to see them up close, and you get to see those that haven't been eaten. So it gives you a chance to move them out of your surroundings so you can have some good qualified food for you and your family. And it's just by inspecting and pulling it out. These are carrots. They're growing in our torpedo pots, and we love these carrots. They're young and tender. As they get older, they'll get more tough. The tops will get tough, but we love the tops and the bottoms. And right now, we're going to eat an awful lot of those. Where that predators can be seen and easily removed from your garden. And you, in turn, will harvest the right crops that you want all of the time. Torpedopot is no joke. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and I'm going to eat these. This will be a part inside of me. I came out here specifically to have me some carrots today. I'm going to mix them up, mix them with my meal, and they are going to taste fantastic. Oh, I'm going to eat this so well. So the purpose of me showing you this is for you to see how Torpedopot can grow your food. Not once, not twice, but all of the time it grows your food. All you do is put your plants in a planter, put your seeds in a planter, and you'll have food for the rest of your life. Dan Radisson, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.